That is why it says, for those that love the Lord, all things work out for the good. This is to those that are carried by God. Marvelous things happen, but you have to be humble. Your thoughts in order. Live in God's rest, as the Americans say. Easy does it. Things come out easy. Everyone in this world is in a rush, and everyone is in fear. People think they can't be forgiven. They're agitated. But I walk in God's peace. I'm always in calm. Calm down. Don't get agitated. You know what it is to walk in peace? To walk in peace is to use the mind, not the body, because if you use the body a lot, it makes you old. It makes you old. It'll get you sick. But if you work more with your mind and less with your body, the years you will sustain. Behave manfully. Rise that confession. No, because if not, the flesh will eat you out. You'll get up in the morning in a blue day with the dark morning, the rain. In those countries that sometimes the political system is corrupt and people, they lock themselves in 4 walls, and they are led by what is spoken in the news. The youth in the university begin to get into political issues, and they begin to suffer. You get nervous. Calm down. Use the word. Don't conform to this world. Use the mind. In your mind, there are many channels with provision there, which are never used. You know, as a refrigerator, when you have all kind of food in that refrigerator, you take a trip for 5 days, and when you come back, things get spoiled. You got to throw them out. And with pain, you have to throw them out. They're spoiled. And I have to just go out and buy them again. If I would have been here, I would have eaten it. But if I'm not, I got to throw it out. So that is the way your mind is. You have your mind with full of provision. But then you go on a trip. But your trips are in guilt. So all of that provision there, it's being rotted. No, you're not using it. God always leads us in triumph. The spirit that dwells in me is a spirit of power and of self-dominion, of love. Don't take a trip. Stay sound, firm. Because there are people that go into these guilt trips and they start tripping, and right away they see everything bad. Oh, things are terrible here. So walk manfully. Think right. Redeem time well. Don't lose time. Open the refrigerator of your mind and use all of the provision that you have there. Make a good dinner. Learn how to cook well what you have on your mind. Don't go on a trip because the food will spoil.